Are you struggling to split Kannada words into syllabic clusters using JavaScript? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers. Today, we will explore how to tackle this issue effectively. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you expect a simple split operation to work, but it doesn't give you the results you need. Many developers face this issue when dealing with complex scripts like Kannada. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I split the Kannada word Kannada into syllabic clusters?" They tried using the split method, but ended up with unexpected results. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So why does this happen? The split method in JavaScript doesn't account for the nuances of Kannada script, which can lead to incorrect results. We'll break down the steps to achieve the desired output. And stay tuned. At the end of this video, I will share a handy tip that will make working with Kannada text in JavaScript much easier. To split a Kannada word into syllabic clusters, the user should first understand the structure of Kannada characters. Each syllable can consist of a consonant and a vowel, and sometimes additional consonants. Next, the user can create a function that processes the string character by character. This function will need to identify when a new syllable starts and when it ends. The user should then implement logic to group characters into syllables. This can be done by checking if the current character is a vowel or a consonant and grouping them accordingly. Finally, the user can return the array of syllabic clusters. This will give them the desired output, such as splitting the word kun into kun, a. Fun fact, Kannada is one of the oldest languages in India, with a rich literary history. It's fascinating how technology can help us work with such beautiful languages. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by a user involves splitting the Kannada word into syllabic clusters using a loop. They start by splitting the word into individual characters and then append characters to the current syllable based on specific conditions. The user notes that this method may not cover all cases, especially with numbers, and suggests testing with different words to ensure accuracy. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. This user suggests using the InSC property of Unicode characters to identify syllabic clusters in Kannada words. By checking the type of each character, you can determine which graphemes need to be combined. For example, the character is a virama, indicating a consonant cluster. The user provides a code snippet that demonstrates how to rebuild the syllabic clusters from individual graphemes. However, the user notes that detecting which characters to combine can be complex, especially with patterns like consonant clusters. They recommend further reading on syllable clusters for better understanding. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your regex patterns with different words to ensure they work across various cases. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You should now be able to split Kannada words into syllabic clusters with ease. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on programming.